Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make numbers in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So let's go with water and water first, and then we're gonna go for earth plus fire, and then add it with water, and then you want to add these two together to create lighthouse. Once you have the lighthouse, you want to go for stone plus stone to create boulder. And then once you have boulder, add it with lighthouse to create the Statue of Liberty. And then once you have done that, you want to add it into water so that you'd have New York, and then add fire into it, and then you'd have 911. And then you want to duplicate 911 right here. So by double clicking it, and then you'd have 922. And then once you have 922 is that you want to duplicate it again to create 1844. Once you have 1844, you want to duplicate it, and then you want to add it into fire right here. And then you would have 22 right here. So once you have the 22, you want to add it into 922 right here, and then you would now have 1. So this is what you need. You can just remove this one. And now we have 1. All we have to do is basically just add up the numbers, and you would have 2 or 11 right here, and then you can add another 1 to create 3, and then you can combine 1 with 3 right here. As you can see, when I do it, it cannot be. So what you can do is you can add 2 right here, and then you'd have 5. Or you could just go for 2 plus 2 right here so that you'd have 4 right here. And yeah, you just basically have to make ways by factoring out what you want right here in Infinite Craft in order for you to be able to create the number that you want. So that is basically how you do it here in Infinite Craft. Thank you for watching.